boiling them down to one or two is pretty hard, but honesty, integrity, work ethic, those are some of the ones that rise to the top. And I've been fortunate enough in my career to witness, because of all the things that I've built, mostly as a remodeler, is the way that things wouldn't last because people didn't do it right. So one of the things that really matters the most to me is how we do things right. We build it right the first time. Now, does that mean that we never have a mistake or we never have a miscalculation or an error? No, it doesn't. But because of our processes, we can catch those things and correct them almost immediately before they become serious problems. And so those three are probably the ones that I would say are the most, they're at the top of my mind for sure.